guys, this is John here. In this session, we will look at how to implement the concept on Entrepreneurship, which is solving a problem for your customer. In the previous practical session, we saw the aspect in terms of defining your customer, which is whether it was an individual or a business, and we filled in our answers here. Now, today we will quickly look at this section, that is, how is your product solving a problem for your customer? So, as you have seen in the theory, I have explained to you the importance of mentioning this. Now, we are looking at our product here, which is the Holo Kit or the 3D hologram kit. And here we have to define why is this kit important for students. So I have defined a few answers here, which I will write down. You can put in your own answers here, and that's where I will take it here. So I have 3 benefits for a student. Benefit number 1, the students get introduced to holograms, so they get to learn a new hologram concept. The second benefit is that with this hologram kit, we also provide a built-in app. So with this app, the students are able to quickly understand the impact of holograms, or students are able to understand holograms much faster. And the third advantage of using our kit here is that this kit comes with an enabler software. And because of this software, students can build their own 3D models and quickly deploy them on HoloKit. And I will add one fourth advantage or fourth value that we are providing to our customers is that we are providing learning videos for our students so that students can learn holograms using videos. So now these are the various problems that we are solving for the customer. You can add your own reasons here if you feel we can add more. But basically what I'm trying to explain to you here is, when you think about your product, you should also think about the various problems you are solving for your customer. When you use Entrepreneurship, you must understand that you have to give slightly detailed answers so that you can define in your entrepreneurial journey the answer to this key question. And I would request you to look at this question very carefully. Okay guys, once you are done entering your response here, click on Save and Next. And in the next section, we will understand all about our competition. Okay guys, so I will explain this in the next theory lecture. In this short practical session, we looked at how to define our value proposition using Entrepreneurship. In the next section, I will explain to you about competition, and then we will understand how to search for the competition and also enter the values during our practical session in Entrepreneurship. Okay guys, I hope this session was clear. I'll see you guys in the next session. Thank you.